Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Liam, and in today's video we are going to talk about Bali in Indonesia. Bali is a very beautiful place and it has a lot of beaches, a lot of mountains, and a lot of other very nice places. So in the first photo, we can see a shopping mall. So the shopping mall is very, very nice. There's lots of people. So we can see lots of people shopping at the shopping mall. Okay, so there's a man and a woman down here, and the man is carrying a bag. So they've been shopping and they have bought some items from the store. It looks like a very, very nice shopping mall. So we can also see there's a kind of bridge area here. So there's a bridge where people are walking across the bridge area. And these here we call escalators. So these are escalators and they will take you up to the next level, so the next floor. So we have the ground floor at the bottom, we have the first floor, we have the second floor, and then we have the third floor. So it's a very, very nice shopping mall, and I liked shopping at this shopping mall. I went to eat food and have drinks at this shopping mall. Very good. In the next photo, this is where I ate food at the shopping mall. So it was a place called Baba Gump Shrimp. It's based on the movie or the film called Forrest Gump. Okay, so as you can see here, it says run, Forrest, run, like in the film Forrest Gump. So here I ordered food and a drink, and I watched the sea. So I looked out at the sea and the beach. It was a beautiful day and it was an amazing view of the sea and the beach. I really liked it. In the next photo, this is a table. So we have a table, we have chairs. So there's 1 chair, 2 chairs, 3 chairs, 4 chairs, 5 chairs. There's 6 chairs. There's 6 chairs. And we have an umbrella. So this is a white umbrella. And this is a great place to eat food or have some drinks while looking out at the sea. So in this next photo, this is also very nice. So these here are called deck chairs. So these are deck chairs where you can lie down and relax on the deck chairs, and each deck chair has a cushion. So you can relax with a cushion as you lie down on the deck chair. And we can also see here, so there's a very nice, a very big swimming pool. So this is a swimming pool and there's people swimming in the swimming pool. So this man is swimming and he's wearing a red hat or a red baseball cap. And then this person here just got into the water and he's wearing a white t-shirt. So this is a black t-shirt, and we also have blue and some green. And this man is wearing a white t-shirt. Okay, so it's a very beautiful day, and some people are swimming and some people are relaxing on the deck chairs. It's very, very nice. I like it. In the next photo, so this is the other side of the deck chairs and the pool. So here we have a path that goes along the seafront. So we can walk along the seafront while we look at the beach and the boats. And here we also have more deck chairs with umbrellas, and people are relaxing while looking out at the sea. And then we can also see this person here. They are riding a bike. So this is a bicycle. Okay, so they are riding a bicycle along the seafront. And they are also talking to someone. So they are talking to someone while they are on their bike. So in this next photo, this is also a very beautiful photo. So this was in the evening time. So it was almost getting dark and they turned on the lights. So there's lots of lights. There's lights in the trees, there's lights in the bushes, and there's also lights in the restaurant. It's very, very pretty. I like it. And then we have a security guard outside the restaurant, and there's people in the restaurant talking to each other. Yeah, it's a very pretty place. And then in the next photo, this is in a different place. So the last place was a beach place, and it was called Sanur. I think it's called Sanur in Bali, and this place was closer to Ubud. I think it's called Ubud. And this is very nice. It's a beautiful view of the city. We also have some chairs, so we can see there's 1 chair, 2 chairs, 3 chairs, 4 chairs, and there's some chairs here as well. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 chairs, and we have 1 table, 2 tables, 3 tables, and 4 tables. So we have 7 chairs and 4 tables. So during the day and at night, people like to sit on the chairs and eat food or have a drink while they relax and talk to each other. Yeah, it's a very beautiful place, Bali. Lots of nature and lots of beaches. There are many activities to do in Bali. So in this next photo, I really like this. I was sitting in the restaurant and I was listening to a guitarist and singer. This man here was singing and playing guitar while I ate food, and watched him playing guitar. It was a very good experience. He was very good. And at the restaurant, we can also see so there's some flowers. So they are yellow flowers. There's a table. So this is a table. And we can see some chairs. So we have the man playing a guitar and singing. We have tables, chairs, and flowers on the table. It's a very pretty place, and I really liked listening to the music. In the next photo, so let's see. Okay, so in this photo, this was at a place called Monkey Forest in Bali. This was very cool. I liked this. There's a man. The man is he's holding a stick, some kind of stick. I'm not sure, I don't know what kind of stick it is, but I think he's using the stick for the fire. There's a fire. We can see a fire, and we can see some smoke. There's some smoke coming from the fire. There's also lots of large trees. There's lots of large trees in the forest. In the next photo, this is very cute. I like this photo. There are two monkeys. So we have two monkeys, and they are playing with each other. So this monkey here is pulling the tail. He's pulling the tail of the other monkey, and this monkey is trying to run away from this monkey. Very fun, I like. And then in the next photo, this was also very, very interesting. So it was a live performance of people in traditional dresses. So the women were wearing traditional dresses, and they did a traditional dance. It was very good. I liked it very much. And then we can see the men in the background. So the men were playing some kind of instrument. I don't know what instrument they were playing. If somebody knows what instrument this is, let me know in the comments, write in the comments on YouTube to let me know what instrument the men are playing. But this was very good. I recommend going to Monkey Forest and watching the live performance. In the next photo, we have the beach. So we can see the beach. It's a beautiful day. So we have the sand, we have the sea, and we can also see surfers. So these two men are going surfing in the sea. So they are about to go surfing in the sea. And this man and woman are also about to go into the sea. It's very nice. I really, really like that. In this photo, this is very cool. So we have some surfers, and this surfer here is riding the wave. So he's riding the wave. It's very good. He's standing up. He's standing on the surfboard and riding the wave. And this person here, he's about to stand. So he's lying down on the surfboard and about to stand and ride the wave like this person. It's a very nice photo. I really like this photo. And in the distance, we can also see some houses. So we have lots of houses in the distance and lots of bushes and trees. It's a very beautiful beach. This was in a place called Uluwatu. I think it's called Uluwatu. And then in the last photo, so this is at the beach. This was in a place called Kuta. I was watching the sunset. There's also people sitting on the beach watching the sunset, and there's a man coming out of the sea, and we also have people surfing in the sea as well. We have more surfers over here. In Bali, there's lots of people surfing on lots of different beaches. There's always people surfing. It's very nice to see. It's always fun to watch people surfing. So yeah, if you liked today's video, let me know in the comments on YouTube which photo was your favorite. And if you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos coming soon. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.